Hello QB fam, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to be taking a look at how to use Binance Crypto Loan. We are going to break this video down into three parts. The first one, we are going to describe what Binance Crypto Loan is. The second part is going to be how to use Binance Crypto Loan. And the third part is going to be why do we use Binance Crypto Loan? In what situations should we take advantage of this? There are a couple of things that you should know before we jump into this video about the Binance Crypto Loan. First thing is you need to have some cryptocurrency on your Binance account in order to use this service. Why should you have some crypto? This will be used as collateral as you take advantage of this service. Now, the second thing you should know is that your collateral amount will always be a little higher than the amount that you borrow. Now, let's dive into the video. So to answer the first question, what is Binance Crypto Loan? Binance Crypto Loan is a financial service that serves users to meet their liquidity needs by providing crypto loans. Now, if that explanation does not fully help you understand what this service does, please stick around to the end of the video, because to answer the third question, we are going to be giving a scenario on why you would use this particular service, the Binance Crypto Loan. Now, to move on to the second question, how do you use Binance Crypto Loans? We want to hop into the platform, the Binance platform, and show you exactly how it's done. Let's go. So in order to use the Binance Crypto Loan service, what you need to do is first log into your Binance account. Once you've done that, take a look at the menu bar at the top of the Binance platform and click on Finance. A drop-down list will appear and go ahead and select Crypto Loans. Once you've selected that, you'll be brought to a page that basically allows you to put in the details of what your loan will be like. So the first detail you need to put in is what cryptocurrency would you like to borrow? In our case, we would like to borrow USDT. So we go ahead and select USDT. The next thing you need to put in, the next detail, is what is the cryptocurrency of the collateral you're going to put. In our case, it's going to be Bitcoin, and we select BTC. After that, you can go ahead and select the amount of time you would like your loan to run for. You're given 5 options from 7 days to 180 days. We shall select 7 days. After that, go ahead and input the amount that you would like to borrow. In our case, we would like to borrow 100 USDT, which is 100 right there. So for each of these cryptocurrencies, you'll need to have a particular, you'll be given a minimum amount that you can borrow, right? So it's not just any amount, it's any amount above the minimum, which in this case for USDT, it's 100 USDT. So after you've put this in, I'm sure you've seen how the collateral amount box has populated automatically. How can you explain this, or how best can you understand how this happens? In order to understand this, we need to take a look at the loan to value ratio here on the right hand side of the screen. Now, before we even dive into how this has happened, we feel like it would be of value if we told you first that the initial LTV for each cryptocurrency will vary. They won't all be the same. So keep that in mind as you select the cryptocurrency that you want to borrow. Now, if you want to understand these particular terms in detail, you can come and hover above them and you'll be given an explanation. But in order to simplify the whole process of understanding this, we would like to explain it this way. So the initial loan to value ratio is 65% at this point, as it's shown here. But what you should know is that the amount that you can borrow is 65% of the collateral amount that you've been asked to stake. That's one thing that you should just know. For this particular transaction, the initial LTV is 65%, and therefore that's the amount that we're able to borrow. So to explain it in other terms, let's say you are borrowing another cryptocurrency, maybe XRP, right? The amount that you would be able to borrow would be the percentage here of the collateral amount you've been asked to stake. Whatever percentage it is here, that is the amount that you're able to borrow. We hope that that is clear to you, our viewers. Now, what does the margin call 75% LTV ratio mean? If the value of the amount that you've borrowed gets to 75% of the value of the collateral that you staked, then Binance will contact you to inform you that they would like you to top up the amount of collateral that you've put, also known as the mortgage asset. Now, once you do not follow through with that, once you do not oblige and increase the amount of collateral in order to bring things back to this 65% initial LTV, if your borrowed amount or your loanable asset gets to a value of 83% of the collateral amount that you put, Binance would by default sell off your collateral amount in order to pay back the loan. Now, we understand that this is logical business practice. Binance does this in order to protect itself and its investment in you through that loan. Because if the value of the amount that you've borrowed is quickly catching up to the value of the collateral, the likelihood of Binance making back the amount that it loaned you plus the interest starts to reduce. The likelihood of it making back that money starts to reduce, and it wouldn't want to make a loss because it's a business. So therefore, Binance would sell off your collateral in order to make up for the loan you took and the interest that you owe them. After you've confirmed that the cryptocurrencies that you've put are exactly what you want to borrow and the amount and exactly what you want to put as collateral, and you've confirmed that this is the amount you want to borrow as well, come and take a look at the total interest amount and the repayment amount that is due as soon as you need to pay the amount that you've borrowed. Once you've confirmed that, go ahead and click Start Borrowing Now. A pop-up box will show up just showing a summary of the details that you've put for the loan that you're taking. So go ahead and click that you have read and agree to the Binance Loan Service Agreement. We would advise that you read it to know exactly what you're getting yourself into. After you've done that, go ahead and check the box and confirm. You'll be shown that the loan was a success. After that, the amount that you've borrowed will appear in your spot wallet right here. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to a page that basically shows the loan that you've taken right here. As you can see, 100 USDT. So now that we've confirmed that the loan has entered your spot wallet, I would like to show you guys exactly how to pay back your loan. You go to the menu bar at the top of the Binance platform, the Binance website, and you go to Orders. When you click on Orders, the drop-down menu that appears will have the option for loan history. So you click on Loan History, and that will bring you to a page that basically shows the details of your loan. Now, just look at the right-hand side of the screen, and you see that the word repay. You click on that, and it will show you exactly how much you owe. You click on max, which we are paying, and if you notice here, it's not the same figure that was shown to us as we were making the order, as we're making the loan order. This is because the fact that we are not paying after 7 days, the interest that's appearing right now is for the amount of hours or the number of hours that have passed since we took the loan. And here it doesn't count whether you've made a whole hour or it's just a few minutes of the hour. It's counted as 1 hour. I hope that is clear. So let's go ahead and pay the debt. We confirm payment. Boom. And now we've paid our debt. So we no longer owe. And that is the process of using Binance Crypto Loan. So now that we've shown you how to use the Binance Crypto Loan service, why should you use it? That is the third question that we want to answer today. And we want to answer it with a scenario. So imagine QB as a person or an entity that is using Binance, the Binance platform to trade crypto. Now, we have maybe 5 Bitcoin on Binance that we wouldn't like to spend as yet, but then we have certain things that are happening in the real world or in our business that we would like to kind of finance, but we are not willing to sell our Bitcoin. We would like to hold on to that because it's a very valuable digital asset. What we would do is We would stake our cryptocurrency, our Bitcoin, in exchange for other cryptocurrencies in order to use those cryptocurrencies to solve whatever issues or problems that we have outside or in our business, and then later come back to pay back that amount and still get back our Bitcoin that we had staked. That way we get to save the value of our Bitcoin without selling it, and we still get to solve whatever issue that we have on the outside. Now, we hope that explanation has helped you understand or has given you a better understanding of how to use the Binance Crypto Loan. If you are interested in using the Binance platform or in taking advantage of this particular service, we have links in the description that will take you directly to this Binance platform and allow you to open the account and go ahead and use this Binance Crypto Loan in order to make your life better. Until next time, have yourselves a good one.